In this episode, hacks for your next barbecue. Here's a really easy way to make your own fire starters. Melt some old birthday candles in a microwave for about 5 minutes, and whilst waiting for the candles to melt, cut up some cardboard pieces. Now soak up the cardboard pieces in the melted wax and let them dry out. And now you'll have some really good long-lasting fire starters for your barbecue. So now I'm just lighting it up. It is starting to light up, baby. So what the wax does, it actually allows the cardboard to burn slower. So there you have it, a really easy way to get the fire started. Now if you can't get your charcoal going and you don't have lighter fluid, why not use some sugar? This is better because the lighter fluid has that horrible chemical taste, which I don't really like, and I'm sure a lot of you don't like either. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sprinkle the sugar over the coal. Ooh, it's magic. Did you see that? I mean, you can't not see that, right? How cool is that? So instead of having that chemical lighter fluid smell, you get this nice caramelized sugary smell all in your food, which is nice. To get your coal burning, some people will probably use either a fan or go up close to it and blow it to get the fire all started. So here's a simple way so you don't get burned to get that fire started. All you need is 2 bottles just like this, one that fits inside the other. You just cut the ends off like this, keep a cap on one of them, slide that inside like this, and that is going to be where the air blows out. All you have to do is go up close and do this. You see the fire coming up? Look at that. I find this a more targeted way as opposed to using a fan. You can really get in there and get it going. I'm really hot. Okay, bye. Now if you're using a public grill, you might be a little bit icky because it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to teach you a way to clean the grill using no chemicals, which is great. So all you need is actually an onion. Put a fork through it just like this so that you don't burn yourself. And then you just slide it across the grill just like this. So you have to make sure that it's a hot grill so that it melts away all the grease and grime everywhere. And not only that, it smells damn nice. Like damn nice, like I'm salivating right now. A lot of you may face this problem where you've got like 10,000 bottles on the table of all your sauces and whatnot. I'm gonna give you a simple solution to hold all of your sauces all at once. All you need is a muffin tin. So I've already gone ahead and put my onion and my cheese sauce in there. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the mustard, ketchup in here. Oh shit. I can clean that up in a minute. Good as new, look at that. Now for the mayonnaise and honey in the following 4 spare spots in my tin. So this is a lot easier than using all the little paper bowls, and if it's windy, it's gonna blow away everywhere. This is very sturdy, it's good cleanup, you don't waste paper, and it's recycling, man. If you wanna cook an egg on the grill, it can get a little bit messy, so why not use a bell pepper? So I'm gonna teach you just how to do it. I've gone ahead and I've cut my bell pepper in half. Looks like this. So now I just gotta gut the inside out. So I've washed the seeds out, it looks like this, very nice color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this on the grill first, and then I'm gonna crack the egg into the bell pepper. Whoops. I kind of did it a bit too roughly and it kind of went on the grill, but that's okay. We can clean that up later with the onion. Okay, next one, ready? Okay, that one's a lot better and the yolk is in place, which is great. Okay, so since I broke the egg yolk in that one, I'm just gonna whisk it a little bit. You could even put some herbs in there. Just wait for that to cook until the egg is nice and cooked to your preference. All right, so my eggs in bell peppers are pretty much ready. I'm gonna poke the yolk just to show you how runny it is inside. So it's just nice. It's like cooked on the outside, but a little bit runny on the inside. Okay, so it smells really, really good, super yummy. So that's about ready to serve up. So that's what the bottom looks like, but that's okay. You can just peel that burnt bit off and it's nice and roasted now. So yummy, yummy. Now if you like putting hot dogs on the grill, I'm going to teach you a way to do it so that you get that nice char grill taste all around the hot dog. So all you need to get is your hot dog. Put the skewer right in the middle, grab a knife. You want to cut a spiral down the hot dog, just like I'm doing now. Next thing you need to do is you just need to spread the hot dog down the skewer. Just open it all up like this. Just do it gently so you don't break it. And that, my friends, is now ready to go on the grill and it's gonna get all the charcoaly bits inside there, which is awesome. Not only that, it'll also cook a lot faster. So now it's time to put the hot dogs on the grill. I've gone ahead and I've made more of these really freaking ugly hot dog. Where do you get these from? Ooh. Anyway, I better put that on the grill before I spill it all. So I'm gonna put all of that there. These look disgusting. What are they made of? Plastic? These are the good ones. We'll just wait for that to cook. So while that is cooking, I'm gonna teach you how to make a DIY food warmer. So all you need is 2 cans, one here and one here. I've got this little tray. All you gotta do is place it on the 2 cans just like that. And then you can put your food on top of the grill thingy. While the sausages cook, it'll keep the bell peppers nice and warm. So now everything can be served all at once. I'm still curious to know what these are made of. That just looks gross to me. Let's not focus on the ugly sausages, okay? Let's just go back to the, look at how beautiful these sausages look. And you can see how nicely charred it is all around the grooves of the sausages. So once this is done, you can put it in a bun if you like, and then you can put all the condiments inside here and it's not gonna fall out. Clever, right? Alrighty, so now for the cleanup, ladies and gentlemen. Now to get all that grime off the grill, all you need is some aluminium foil. Scrunch it up into a little ball, grab some tongs in case the grill is still hot, and scrub away. Or you can just use your hands, but you have to be careful, okay guys, because the heat, if it's still hot, is gonna go right through the foil and burn your hands. So there you go, I've just done half of it, so you can see the difference now. It works pretty well. Obviously I've got to keep going, but I think you get the gist, right? And that is it for this episode. Now, if you didn't already know, I've started designing our own merchandise. You can go check it out at tandemmerch.com and maybe you'll find something you like. You can follow me on Instagram at RJT99, and if you haven't done so already, download the free Clicknetwork app. You can watch all the videos before they come out on YouTube. Mwah! Thanks for watching, guys.